Hey there, thanks for stopping by the channel. My name is Sean, and this is the Sean Show. Today I'll be talking about the reason that I joined the LiveGood Opportunity. With that said, let's dive in. I've got about 4 or 5 reasons why I've joined this opportunity, which is new, by the way. Just started around the end of 2022 or the beginning of 2023. So first and foremost, and I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. One of the things that I like to do personally is I'm healthy. I like to exercise. I like to eat healthy as much as I can, etc. So here is sort of a snapshot of what my lunch looks like when I leave the office and go home for lunch. I wash up all these fruits and veggies, I run them through a juicer, and then of course, have to wash the juicer. It's kind of a pain. It takes about 20 minutes, maybe a little bit more than that, sometimes a little bit less, but it's a lot of work to eat healthy sometimes. And we're all busy in life, and sometimes it's just easier to get supplements. Sometimes, again, whole foods is what I prefer to eat, but supplements can go a long way as well, especially when you're traveling or you just have a busy schedule, etc. So that's the number one reason. So here is another reason. And this is what I found in our cabinet in terms of protein powder, etc. These 2 things right here. So let's just first go over to Amazon and take a look. This protein powder right here, as you can see, ranges from $32.94, $90 for this protein on Amazon. And as you guys know, Amazon is pretty well priced for the most part. So LiveGood is basically a membership platform really similar to Amazon or Netflix, Costco, etc. That if you decide to join, it's extremely cheap. It's $9.95 a month. And then you get the supplements at wholesale prices. And let me show you what I mean by that. So I'm going to go over to my LiveGood portal, and let's just scroll down. This is kind of the products that we have now, and it's ever expanding. It'll be a lot more before we know it. Like I said, this just started about 5 months ago. So let's go down and find the protein. So here's the protein. I'm just going to go ahead and click learn more. So you've got very similar protein right here that you'll see in a second. My internet's a little bit slow. But here is what the pricing looks like. It's just $34, but that's the retail price. If you're a member, then you get it at $22, which is far better than what you saw on Amazon. Now, I'm not going to show you all the products, but I'm going to show you 2 or 3 and just sort of compare. So the next one is that I showed you is the super grains. Well, here's what they look like on Amazon. As you can see, it's $39.99 there, and it's also for 30 servings. But look at it, $34.99, $34.99, $34.99. Let's check out what it looks like with LiveGood. All right, so here's our super grains. Of course, we got super reds, we got CBD. Our CBD is amazingly priced compared to what you find out there, especially for other direct selling companies. They want to charge you an auto ship, etc. But let's click this and just explore and see what this looks like for you guys. Here we go. All right. So here's our super grains. It has 30 servings, just like the Bloom Super Greens that you saw on Amazon, which I also found in my cupboard at home. And as you can see, it's only $18 if you're a member. It's $29.95 if you're not. Both instances are cheaper, but if you're a member, it's dramatically cheaper. And obviously, if you only buy supplements like this, or any of the other supplements, once every 6 months, it probably doesn't make sense for you to join to save, once or twice a year. But if you use any of our products on a regular basis, then it probably makes a lot of sense. So what's next? The other reason that I joined is because, as you may know, if you've done any other direct selling opportunities, they have a forced auto ship so that you can be part of their program and part of their earning program, etc. And a lot of times the prices are just 2 to 3 or 4 or even 5 times more than what you could find on Amazon. And that's just not the case with LiveGood. As you saw, the pricing on our products is amazing. All right, the fourth reason that I joined the LiveGood Opportunity is because it has an amazing business opportunity attached to it, where people are making a lot of money. I'm new at it, so I'm not making a lot of money yet. But the beautiful thing is, and this is my number 4 or number 5, they kind of go together. It's ground floor. When it comes to opportunities like this, you want to get in at the ground floor. So since it just started about 5 months ago, and there's about 350,000 people that started this opportunity, have joined membership to use the products, etc. And it's expanding extremely quickly. We're expecting that there'll be about 1 million members before the end of the year, if not just right after, and 2 to 3, 4 million plus in the next 2 to 3 years to come. So when's the best time to get started? At the ground floor, right? So that's what we're looking at right now. But I'd love to have you take a quick tour. If you take a look in the description below, you'll find a link where you can take a quick 5-minute tour. And if you like what you see, fantastic. If you don't, that's okay too. Either way, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Have a great evening and have a great weekend to come. If you could, just drop a quick like and subscribe. Take care.